Monica here with another Club Dance Moves tutorial, and today we're going to dance in place. I'm going to teach you a simple groove that you can do in the club, especially on a crowded dance floor. And stick around till the end of this video. I'm going to show you how you can use this movement in combination with other moves I previously taught on my channel, so you can freestyle better. For the best social dance tutorials and tips, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified whenever I'm posting a new video. Before I jump into the video, I want to briefly announce that a couple of spots have opened up for a free one-on-one consultation with me to join my Confidence Through Dance program. If you're interested in that, wait till the end of this video for the information on how to sign up. We're going to start with just a groove in place, which is just a basic knee bend. So we want to bring the knees forward on every beat, and I've done this before a lot of times in my tutorials, and you guys like those movements in place, so here's another one. We're going to bring the knees forward slightly on every single beat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let me show you the size of the move so you don't overdo it. We're not doing squats over here. Keep it very small. The knees just push forward and then you reset the legs to be straight, but do not snap the knees forward. Do not lag the legs like this, because the goal here is to look natural, and that won't look natural. So you want to keep the legs nice and soft, and the movement is very small and soft and groovy. With music, it's a little bit easier to do that because then you feel the music and all of that. But just imagine we're just grooving. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Okay, knees are good to go. Let's take care of the torso because that's a little bit more complicated. So we're going to twist, but I'm going to teach you a totally new rhythm. We're going to twist the body side to side, but the rhythm of it will be quick, quick, slow. And let's just do the torso alone. So you're going to go twist, twist, and then take twice as long to twist for the third time. And then you start the other way. Twist, twist, slow it down, and twist, twist, slow it down. You see that? So you are switching the torso or the direction where you're facing 3 times, and the third one is always the longest. It takes 2 beats. The other ones take 1 beat each. If I count it, it will look like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2. It's a little weird because you have to count when you're dancing, but just in the beginning, I promise. Let's see if we can put it together slowly with the knee bend. The knees don't stop, right? So you don't care about 1, 2 or anything like that. The knee bend is always the same rate. It doesn't slow down, so you just stay with the tempo. So the knees go on 1, 2, 1, 2 the entire time. And we will just count the torso. Get ready. 6, 7, we have 1, 2, slow 1, 2, switch 1, 2, slow 1, 2, switch 1, 2, slow 1, 2, and 1, 2, slow it down 1, 2. You can say left, right, to the left, right, left, to the right. And have that little direction in your head. It will be easier. Sometimes the counts might not work. Sometimes, you lose the count. But if you say a direction, you most likely will follow it once you know which one is right, which one is left. This movement is challenging because you have 2 different rhythms happening at the same time. So I wouldn't call it a basic groove because you have to pay attention to the knees that are doing something different than your torso. 2 different rhythms. Here you're going on every beat, and here you're going with the quick, slow rhythm. So it might take a little bit of work, but we'll get there. You can actually use your knees to keep the timing for you, right? Because we said this doesn't change. You go on every beat. This is steady. You cannot slow down. You cannot speed up. So use the knees to help you stay on beat with your upper body. So for example, that the quick twist, let's call it, takes one beat, which means one knee bend, right? Because you're going twist, twist, knee bend, and the torso move together. But the slow one, the twist, slow twist, takes two knee bends because we said 2 beats, right? So it will look like this. 1, 2, and then look, 2 knee bends. And only after you complete the 2 knee bends, you can switch to the other side and start this movement over. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, slow, 1, 2. 1, 2, slow it down, quick, quick, slow it down. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1. Keep going. Let me show you how I would use this movement just as a quick transition in between other movements I taught you before, and I'm going to include all the links to those tutorials below this video, so check it out. I hope this video was helpful and I hope that you learned something. Let me know in the comments, do you want me to create more tutorials with more complex movements such as this one? Let me know. As I mentioned before, a couple of spots have opened up for a free one-on-one consultation with me. So if you're interested, just click the link below this video to sign up and let's see if I can help you. Who I typically work with is adults, men and women, who avoid the dance floor, who are stressed about dancing in social settings because they don't have the proper dance skills and they lack confidence to just go out there and dance. We're fixing all of that in my program. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your dance-less friends. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell to be notified whenever I'm posting a new video, and I am posting every week. Thank you so much for learning from me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now.